do a little sound test for y'all real quick. Weak. All right, so apparently there's two mounts, and I didn't look very hard or hard enough, and we broke her off to there, boys. Golly. I'm assuming it went right there. Stupid. Can't believe I just did that. Is what it is. As far as this one, now that I think about it, there ain't even no, oh, never mind, there's brackets in here. All right, that's right. All right, what the hell? All right, anyways, let's get back to it. All right, guys, this is it. It was actually a super easy install. I mean, it probably took me a total of 20 minutes, 15 minutes or so. But basically, it comes with a clamp here, 4 little Allen screws, clamp it to the silencer. Then you got a little bracket that goes up top to mount to your frame. There's a gasket that goes from, I don't know if you'd really call that a header, I guess the slip-on part. But there's a gasket that goes between there and the silencer itself. There's 5 little 13 millimeter bolt. I actually think they're 12 millimeter, but 13 will work. This is for an O2. My year model doesn't have O2, I guess, so I don't know what year models do, but I still gotta tighten that. And then you got your little clamp there, and that's pretty much it. There is 2 little rubber pieces that you put in between there just to get a little cushion, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And it looks freaking amazing. I guarantee you this thing is gonna sound good. I've yet to crank it, so let's see what this thing sounds like. Give her a little rev. Oh shit. It's actually pretty loud. Oh. But it does sound good. It's good and deep. Yeah, I'm also in the garage, so it sounds louder, but it is pretty loud. I like it though, dude. It's got a nice deep tone to it. This thing's pretty cool. Sounds good. It's rjwc, baby. That thing is clean with all my dirty heat shields and all that stuff. But yeah, we're like a average canam owner now. We got the loud exhaust. Go out there and annoy everybody for a little bit. Yeah, it sounds pretty damn good. I like it. If y'all want this exhaust, I got it for the Memorial Day sale. It was like 30% off or something, so I got like $250 off. It's pretty badass. But if you want the exhaust, I'll put the link down in the description below. Go grab you one. They don't only have them for the Outlanders, they got Renegades and all kinds of other stuff you could put on. They actually make a lot of other stuff too, clutch kits and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all on the next one.